There's been one major challenge in investing that nobody quite knew how to solve: accessibility. Today on Mission Driven, we sit down with Vlad Tenev, CEO and co-founder of Robinhood, a company with a purpose to democratize finance and make investing possible for everyone. We talk with Vlad about how Robinhood will achieve that and what it will mean to investors everywhere. What problems did you see with traditional investing that led you to create Robinhood?
The stock market is and has been one of the greatest wealth creators in the world. But for a really long time, everyday people faced barriers that made investing difficult. Robinhood saw an opportunity to change all of that and to democratize finance for all, because we believe unabashedly that everyone should be welcome to participate in our financial system. We're a modern financial services platform for everyone, regardless of their wealth, income, or background.
How did you go about building the company to resolve the issues that you were trying to correct?
Well, we always started by listening intently to customers. We call that radical customer focus, and it is one of our values. We designed Robinhood to have an intuitive interface because we think investing should be familiar and welcoming, and in fact, it has to be familiar and welcoming to serve the customers that have been underserved for so long. We also pioneered commission-free investing with no account minimums, which made investing more affordable for everyone.
Your mission is to democratize finance for all. How does your company do that?
We put all of our customers on a level playing field. We don't prioritize wealthier customers, even among our customer base. There's no account minimums, and fractional shares, which when we introduced in 2019, further lowered the barrier to entry by making the entire universe of stocks and ETFs accessible to everyone for as little as $1. And even more recently, you look at a product we launched called IPO Access, and that lets customers buy shares at the IPO price, something that for a long time has been reserved only for financial institutions and the very wealthy. So by using IPO Access, our customers had the opportunity to request shares of Robinhood at the IPO price. And in addition to that, customers were also able to take part in our roadshow. So IPO roadshows are typically reserved for institutional investors and financial insiders. As we continue to grow and build new products and improve upon our existing products, we'll continue to find ways to reduce what we consider to be significant systemic barriers that remain that prevent people from accessing the financial system.
How do you build purpose into your company culture?
The way that we operationalize our mission is through our 4 core values. So our core values provide the blueprint for how we allocate our resources and how we serve our customers every day. We have a weekly all hands meeting where all of our employees are invited. And every week we begin that meeting by reminding everyone about our mission and why we're here. Our all hands is organized by key value. So there's a safety first section, a participation is power section, a radical customer focus section, and a first principles thinking section. Everything that we do as a company can be organized into our values, and those roll up to the mission, which is to democratize finance for all.
What trends were you excited to see when you made trading available to so many people for the first time?
Well, one of the things I'm most excited about is that stock ownership across the board is more diverse than ever. So most new investors in 2020 were more likely to be racially and ethnically diverse than the investors who came before them, according to research by UChicago. So we're seeing this play out on our own platform. Surveys indicate that our customers are more racially diverse than customers at the incumbent brokerages. And our own surveys in 2020 showed that African-American investors represented 9% of Robinhood's customer base. And that compares to about 3% at incumbent firms. Over the same period, Hispanic investors accounted for 16% of Robinhood's customers, and that compares to 7% at incumbent firms. So we're welcoming an increasing proportion of women to our platform also, having tripled the number of women on our platform at the end of 2020 as compared to 2019. These are numbers that we're very proud of. I think it goes very much in line with our value of participation is power and is critical to our mission of democratizing finance for all.
You've said you want to get 95% of households investing. What message do you have for the ones that aren't there yet?
We are all investors. Whether you're a gig economy worker, a nurse, a first responder, a construction worker, or anyone else, you can be an investor. And Robinhood was built for you. And we're going to keep working to offer the best tools and services that we possibly can so that you can be in the best position to succeed and attain your financial well-being.
You've discussed making Robinhood the go-to app for money. How do you envision that?
Well, when we check our email, there is a go-to app. When we need to see a map because we need to find out how to go where we need to go, there's an app, and we think Robinhood could become that go-to app for your money. So folks are already investing, saving, and spending through our cash management product. They're investing in fractional shares and learning about investing through Robinhood Learn. So people want to build financial independence and have the tools and ability to own their financial well-being. And we're excited to be right there, providing better and better tools for our customers to help them achieve their financial goals.
Where do you see the future of investing going?
I think we're going to see the barriers that have kept everyday people out of the markets and out of finance to continue to fall. I think innovation is a one-way door. Technology and innovation are going to keep democratizing finance. And I think investing is going to become increasingly a part of everyday life. I think within the industry, we're excited to see technology continue to improve and continue to modernize.
What will Robinhood's role be in the future of investing?
Well, we're going to continue to keep looking for ways to serve our customers so that we can make both investing and financial literacy more democratic and more accessible. And where necessary, we're going to be pushing for systemic change in the financial industry so that our customers can be in an even better position to succeed.